So if you want to increase bass on your JBL Tour Pro 3s, simply go to the app and then tap on audio at the top there, and then you should see your equalizer, right? So just tap on that, and then now you can choose one of these bass bias equalization settings. So you can have bass. The club also has a bit of bass, and then you have extreme bass, which is probably the most extreme bass. But these are all predefined bass equalizer settings. Now you can go and set up your own EQ. So for instance, this is one I set up earlier. If you want to add another one, just tap on the plus icon, and then you can adjust your EQ settings to a more bassy EQ. Now, of course, the frequencies on the left-hand side are bass, so that's how you adjust bass. And then, of course, you can play around with the other mids and the highs just to get a proper EQ signature. So that is basically how to increase bass or how to adjust bass on a JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds. Thanks for watching and good luck.